How does vocabulary link to cognitive development? Imagine a child's mind as a growing garden, filled with tiny seeds that need nurturing to flourish. Building foundational vocabulary is like planting those seeds with care. When children learn basic words and their meanings, they start to form mental pictures and ideas about the world around them. For example, knowing the word dog helps a child recognize and categorize that animal, which is a skill called classification. This process of understanding and organizing words helps children develop their thinking abilities. Many English words come from Latin, Greek, and Old English roots. When children learn these origins, it helps them understand new words more easily. For instance, knowing that construct comes from Latin roots meaning to build makes it easier to remember and use the word. As vocabulary grows, children improve in mental skills like paying attention, remembering instructions, and thinking flexibly. Studies show that kids with larger vocabularies tend to do better in these areas because they can process and use language more effectively. Learning new words also boosts a child's ability to reason and communicate. When children understand and use more words, they can express their thoughts clearly and understand others better. This exchange of ideas through conversation encourages their thinking and social skills to develop. For example, when children take turns talking and listen to others, they practice using new words and thinking about what they hear. Building foundational vocabulary is not just about memorizing definitions. It involves using words in sentences, understanding where they come from, and seeing how they connect to other words. For example, the word construct from Latin roots can be used in a sentence like, "The children construct a tower with blocks." Doing this links the word to an action and a mental image, making it easier to remember. In short, vocabulary growth is linked to how children think, learn, and interact. When children build their basic vocabulary, they gain the tools to understand complex ideas, solve problems, and communicate effectively. This process supports their overall mental development and helps them become confident learners and thinkers.